Welcome to Quickpage training. I'm going to talk to you about overcoming your fear of video. And it can be very scary to be in front of the camera. So it's one of the things that you're going to have to face that fear and get in front of the camera so that you can stand out. And by doing so, you're going to build better relationships with your customers, and you're going to add authenticity to what you're saying. People like to know who they're working with, and being able to show them that ahead of time is going to make them feel more comfortable to pick up the phone when you call, to actually come out and see you, because it takes some of that scary mystery away. So by using video in different parts of your sales process, you can really put your customer at ease and make it a much smoother transaction when they do come out and see you. You can use video in your introductions, you can do walk-arounds, appointment confirmations. You can even thank them after their sale and send them videos from years to come and stay in front of them to get those referral and repeat customers. Video is a great way for you to stand out and make more money. Hey guys, I know being in front of the camera can be kind of scary, but you know what? It's really great to try something new and just kind of go outside your comfort zone a little bit. You never know what it might be like. You might even find out that you're having a lot of fun with it too. So go out there, give it a shot, and you might not be great at it the first time, but if you keep practicing, I promise you're gonna get better and better, and you're gonna learn to love it.